Metamorphose, a change consulting channel where you can find latest insights on change management practice and application to guide you on your change journey. Subscribe and like us to keep you updated. Hi guys, today we will discuss about how we can have clarity about where our organization currently is and develop insight that will help us to map out a change plan effectively and accurately. As we discussed previously, all leaders need to be clear on where we are, what we need to do to reach where we want to be, and how we get there with our people, process, and platform. Today, we will focus on making sure we can get what our current reality is. One main thing we need to keep reminding ourselves here is that this is an analysis of current reality, not past reality, where probably when we had our golden age, and not future reality and desire. The best way to get an accurate picture of this is by visiting the workplace and marketplace. Photos and videos are great tools to record, and the files can also be archived and categorized. There are three steps of insights we need to get to understand our current reality. First, we need to know our relationship with our customers through in-depth customer value analysis. We can discuss this later on. Second, we need to be able to understand our problems, things that make our conditions less desirable. And finally, we need to understand our people, capabilities, and our financial conditions. There are several elements of value analysis that we can do. First of all, we need to understand what kind of customers are attracted to us. There are four types of segmentations we can take a look at and identify with. First, we can take a look at geographic segmentations. This is about the locations of our customers. We also can take a look at demographic segmentations. This is about age and gender of our customers and other statistics related to our customers' condition. The third type is psychographic segmentations. This is about the lifestyles, habits, and personality types of our customers. And finally, it's about behavior segmentation. This is about how aware our customer actually is about our brand and products. Are they using our products the way we think they should be using? Also, what are their decision-making processes? Why do they buy our products? Next, we need to understand on how we are currently reaching these customers. Are these the right channels for the segmentations we are in? And are we missing any potential approach? The second element of value analysis is about our product or service characteristics. For example, in this profit margin volume matrix, we can see that each quadrant has different values and different characteristics that we should understand. A high volume, high margin quadrant means our product or service is protected. It's a highly demanded quadrant and it's a complex product and service usually. It also usually has minimal competitions due to a high barrier of entry, such as patent and maybe trade protections or specialized technology. A low volume, high margin quadrant means our products or service are specialized. It usually serves an exclusive markets and has exclusive competitions. A high volume, low margin quadrant means this is the bucket filler products. It is a high demand, simple product or services with many competitors. Last and definitely the least, this is the low volume, low margin quadrant. This is what we call a lost product. It's an outflavor product that we should probably stop. After understanding our product and service types, the final step that we need to do is to rationalize where our product and service types are and connect it with our customer types and find out if there are any mismatch between. Now we understand our current conditions. Let's find out about our problems. Stating our problems require us to be specific. A valid problem statement should consist of the what, which has both the object and the pain identified. It should also consist of the size of the issues and the impact of this problem. Another thing worth mentioning here is our problem can also come from another problem or also can result in another problem. So we can map out these problem relationships into problem tree, and that will give us a complete understanding of the situations and look into our available resources to figure out how we will handle them. So, in summary, to be confident in leading change, we need to have clarity of mind. This can be achieved through getting clarity of current reality, clarity of needs, and clarity of relationship. This will enable us to grab all three important ingredients of change: technical roadmap, resource roadmap, and resource mapping of the existing condition. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for future updates. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See ya!